Hello, Oscar. This is Ada. Now I will be take a video to introduce about my factory, about my company, and also my warehouse, and how to cooperation with my Ecuador customers, all the situation, and I will be show you. This one is a real box, last order, how many pieces, and sometimes I put small parts inside to the real box to save the CBM. And this one is a metal box for the gearbox. So this one is making my customers. This one is some simple before take from factories, but now I have a long time didn't clean it. And this is air filled. You can see the quality, even though keeping long time. Air filled. Have many stairs air filled, and this one is my customer packing. Some is left one piece in here, and this one is a rubber YVR, and also have some other parts. This one is air filled G16. Also in this area are air filled. Also we just see the color box is a metal box. Is this there?